So I hope you have got the clarity how the week one is going to unfold. You have watched the introduction part or the orientation part of this entire week, and now we are going to deep dive into it and the each and every step. So, step number one, the first step would be the self assessment. And this is the week we are going to do evaluation or the self assessment. We are going to reevaluate ourselves. What are going to do our self evaluation, and then we are going to make a systematic goals, and we are going to make some plans for it, so that we are on track, and we are going to implement and some tools, some techniques, some process, so that we reach our goals, we reach our destination. So my humble request to each one of you here, that please apply whatever things you are learning. And you might be seeing me over the period of time, over the course, almost practically each and every video in this course, you are going to see that each and every time I am emphasizing, and re-emphasizing that what are the things you need to really apply. Not only learning, but also applying. Implementation is the key here. So this is very, very important and very, very essential. So now let's deep dive into it. So when you talk about the self-assessment, so we are going to discuss in various stages. So first is define your purpose and identify the areas of focus. So what are the areas you are going to focus? So we are going to go a little faster. Yeah. So please pay attention and absorb yourself, so that you are very quick and grasp it. Uh, if you are not, revisit again. But from the beginning, I am setting up the tone for the entire this 90 days challenge to you, that you need to really be serious. You need to be literally serious to be yourself. If you are serious, then you are going to make a great result here, my friend. So I want you to take actions, take knowledge, take these things and implement in your life. You will see the massive transformation in your life. Are you ready? Yes. So what are the things you need to really, you need to identify your area of focus. So you need to improve your fitness, physical fitness. You need to reduce your stress, physical stress, mental stress, emotional stress, everything. You need to enhance your relationships, and physical, mental, social, and spiritual, occupational, and the environmental. You need to have a right focus. So you need to keep your physical goals, physical uh, assessments. You need to do the what level of physique you are in, what kind of physical strength, the mental strength you have, the social strength you have, how what kind of level of spiritual strength you have, the occupational strength you have, what are the level of occupational duties you are doing, how things are there in the right place or not. That you need to really reevaluate it, you need to reassess it. Yeah. And if there are certain things you need to go for different places to visit, you must do it, because it is not about me, it is about you. Yeah. So that's why it is very, very important. Do it. You need to also see the environmental from where you are living, the surroundings, how the surrounding is, how that surroundings can be better or not. So first you need to assess that, then you can improve it and the achieves the overall wellness. Yeah. The tools and resources. So there are different tools and resources you will be available. You can different applications you can get, smart watches you can do it. That best is being with the coaches and experts. So when you're already with the one coach, you have already chosen. Why don't you trust it? What are the things are telling? So follow the system. My promise again, I'm telling to you, if you are focusing in the next 90 days, the systematically, if you are following that, only one thing is expected, that is transformation of your life. It's going to happen, not 100% transformations. That is also I'm telling. But you will able to see the root from where you are coming and how the things are changing in life. So that's why it is very, very important and very crucial that you must follow the steps, whatever I am just telling. So just follow the systems. And then the physical assessment. When I'm talking physical health assessments, there are different nutrition, there are sleep patterns, the medical checkups. You need to do it. So you need to assess. If you're not medically fit or something, so go to the particular doctors and do checkups. If you are, for example, if you're a diabetic patient, please check what is the level of diabetes. Now, my promise to you, if you follow these systems, I had different patients earlier came here. By the way, I'm not a doctor. Patient came here, was taking insulin. After 9 months, insulin stopped. Insulin stopped. He need not to take insulin anymore. I'm not telling a story here. I'm talking about life. I'm talking about personal life's example. And if you are one of them, I don't want you to be that. But even if you are, if you follow the steps, you are going to be that person again, the same like him. You no need to take the medicines. And not only that, many people, especially ladies says, अरे कोई कोई उनका रिश्तेदार and their natives and people's colleagues, they student, अरे तुम क्या खाते हो? तुम क्या क्या कुछ ऑइंटमेंट्स लगाते हैं? तुम्हारा बॉडी चमक रहा है क्यों इतना? Why you are feeling shining? They're telling after 3-4 months, they're telling, oh, you're shining. Wow, I'm really signing. She's telling, oh, wow, really? I'm not doing something else. I'm not doing some skin therapy. I haven't done something skin therapy. I'm not done anything. Why I'm signing? Don't be surprised if you are being that person next. If you are being, if you are in the next person, don't be surprised of that. You're seeing me? I'm 34, going to be 35 now. Seeing me? Sometimes people, oh, you have kids. You got married. I have 2 kids already. Oh, really? It looks like you are 22s, 25s, but I'm not. So that's what it is. So it is very, very important that it is very, very important that you need to have proper and that assessments are done so that your nutrition, your sleep patterns, your checkups, medical checkups, sleep patterns is in place so that you are in track. Yeah, this is very, very essential. Just wait. So do those checkups done. Yeah, very, very important. So don't neglect it. Do the steps first. When you do that, then you will see that the things are improving in your life. Then then again the mental health assessment. So what are the different stress level, emotional well-being? You need to see the cognitive functions, what are level. You write it down, whatever things you are feeling, and you will see at the end of 90 days or even in 120 days, I would say, you will see the changes in your life. It will happen. Yeah. Similarly, social health, relationships, community engagement, how is work-life balance? So you need to reassess all these things. And we are going to break down each and every steps in next step number 2, where we are going to set up your clear goals. We are going to set up these clear goals about each and every steps, and you will be understanding much further that why these steps and goals are very, very important and very important for your development. Yeah, this is very crucial. And then you need to assess yourself that about spiritual health. What is my purpose of my life? What are the value systems I have in my life? How we can practice those things and practice mindfulness? How we can connect ourselves towards nature, towards the Supreme Lord, and we can reconnect ourselves with ourselves. This is very, very important. Similarly, occupation health. What are the level of job satisfactions? What is the work environment in your office, in your with your colleagues, and your business? Yeah. What is the work environment if you are a housewife within the house? Very, very important. So you need to have a good strong work environment. And then professional development, you need to have how you can develop yourself professionally so that you really improve. Yeah, very, very important. Environmental health assessments, so you need to see that how are the living conditions you have. Yeah, what are the sustainable practices you can do. And exposure to toxins, Yeah. So how we can reduce this? If you're living in city like Mumbai, city like Delhi, even city in Calcutta, there are a lot of toxins in environmentally. So how those things you need to really assess when you are going exposing yourself. So what are the things needs to be taken care? So if you are taking care of that, then only it will be possible that how we can do that. So you need to take actions, you need to develop those strategies, you need to adjust if those things actions are needed, and of course you need professional guidance. That's why you are here. Yeah, that's why you are here, so that you you have right kind of guidance, so that you are implementing these things. And my sincere request to you, you implement whatever things you are learning and take those steps. And whenever I am asking to share those things in the details here, please do it. If you are doing, you yourselves are going to get benefited, not me. So that's why it is very, very important, and it is very crucial that you are implementing the systems. So please follow the system. Don't make your own system here. Please follow the system for things, and you are going to be bound to get the result. In the step number 2, whatever things I have break down, each and everything I have shown to you, now those things I am going to make a clear intention and the clear goals I am going to set for you. So now you see what are the things you have. So try to reevaluate yourselves and do those assessments done, and make a notes that what are things you need to really do, what are the external resources you need to take help of, so that you need to take care of those things, and take those precautions and take those necessary actions, so that you can really implement your life. Yeah. See in the next video on the step number 2 for setting up your goals. Before that, whatever things you learned, please put in the comment box. I want to read each one of your comments, and also try to learn from whatever others are learned and they have implemented in their lives. See you in the next video. Bye bye.